Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
With the signing of this MOU between the FACI and Goa College of Engineering, in future we'll get good skilled manpower in the state of Goa. So we had already started the another MOU with the National Plumbing Institute. Day by day, the skilled manpower will develop in the state of Goa. We are signing one more MOU with the construction institutes. At present, the skill development is with me, and as rightly the Menon had asked me for the certification of the courses with the FSI. I think for this course you not required any, as the Goa Engineering College is there. But also still, if you required for the certification course, the HRDF, the Human Resource Development Foundation, which is certified by the Government of Goa under the Skill Development Ministry, we are ready to give you the certification course and for the certificate so that you can start in our ITI also. Whenever the manpower, your skilled manpower you required in your fire departments. Okay, for that purpose, we can say that those who did this type of courses will give them preference in that type of course. So, as the upgradation is happening and the skill development is happening, we want to change the rules and regulations of all the posts also in future.
For the younger generation, when they come to know of new things, they will go to some areas as because they are not going to be here all the time. 3-4 years down the line, they will be away. Whatever you teach them, they will promote wherever they go. And that is why your dedication as a support team in making a curriculum, making all this new, as rightly pointed out, security and fire is hand in hand. And prevention is always better, as we should not lose lives.